Good morning, my dear students. In this video lecture series, we will be discussing about a new topic from your geography chapter 1, that is environment. If you remember, we have earlier discussed about some general concept related with your topic environment. So right now we will be discussing something new in your chapter from environment, and your new topic will be natural environment. So what is the natural environment? The word itself says that all the components made by the nature will be considered as natural environment. So what are the components, what are the things created by the nature? All living and non-living organisms which is created by nature will be known as natural environment. So you can see here, natural environment comprises of all biotic and abiotic things. You have to give your proper attention here. It includes biotic and abiotic things. For example, land, water, air, plants and animals. You can categorize them between biotic and abiotic resources. As you can see here, land, water and air, these are the abiotic resources made by the nature, and plants, animals and we human being itself are the important components of biotic resource. Biotic resource also an important part of our environment. So now here we will see a different topic, that is your major domains of environment. Major domains of environment, or we can say the major components of environment. So what are the major domains of environment? Lithosphere, you can see here, lithosphere, hydrosphere and atmosphere. These are the three major domains of environment. We will try to understand it better through a Venn diagram. So you can see here, as you can see here, we are representing the three major domains of environment through a Venn diagram. So suppose this one is lithosphere, this one is hydrosphere, and this one is atmosphere. These are the three domains of the environment, and where these three domains interacts with each other creates another regions. We can see here these regions, mainly these regions comprises where atmosphere, hydrosphere and lithosphere interacting with each other. You can see here, these are the interacting zones where hydrosphere, lithosphere and atmosphere interacting with each other, and the life is only possible here. So we can say that this zone is biosphere. Where the three domains of the environment interact with each other, this zone may be considered as biospheres, where life is possible. So thank you. In the next video we will be discussing some new topics further. Thank you.